Creating beautiful and engaging forms with Paperform? Well, it just got easier. You can now connect your Adobe Creative Cloud libraries and bring your images, GIFs, and colors from your Creative Cloud straight to your Paperform. Better portray your brand, business, or personality, and streamline a workflow that is uninterrupted. Let's quickly check it out. To access the Adobe Creative Cloud integration directly, let's use the / command, typing a / followed by Adobe. I'll then select Adobe Creative Cloud. We'll then be prompted to log in to our Adobe account. Once we have successfully logged in, it is time to start creating. With the Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries integration, we can add images and GIFs to our form body, multiple choice options, as our form's background image, custom PDFs, dynamic success pages, as well as our form's cover image or browser icon. And any place we can select a color within our form editor, we can also click the Choose from Creative Cloud button in the color picker widget, or by clicking on the Creative Cloud icon. Let's head to our theme settings and take a look. I want to change the color of my form's background. If I click on the Adobe Creative Cloud icon, this will open up my Creative Cloud library. And voila, it's that easy. Import your brand colors and graphics and save time with the new exciting Adobe Creative Cloud Libraries integration. Good luck and happy form making.